Hey there from the Hey Penny Pickers. Today's video is a test run as well as instruction video for the Fisher-Price digital camera. On the camera you have a power button, delete button, a scroll button to scroll through the images that you have taken, and a zoom in and zoom out button for taking photos. On the bottom is a battery compartment that you can open with a Phillips head screwdriver. It takes 4 AAA batteries. There's also a slider door that reveals a USB cable so you can connect the camera to your computer and transfer the images from the digital camera to your home computer or laptop. In order to turn the camera on, you simply press and hold the power button for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The camera will then boot. Once the camera has booted, you simply just point and shoot. On the top of the camera is the shutter release button. Simply press it once and that will take one photo at a time. If you wish to zoom in, simply hit the plus button and that will zoom in, and the minus will zoom out. You can scroll through the images that were taken, and if you wish to delete one of the images, simply press the delete key 2 times. First one asks you to confirm if you wish to delete, second one deletes the image. You must scroll through the images to get to the image that you wish to delete. Delete once, delete a second time, deletes the image. The camera will power down automatically after a period of time of non-use, so the batteries are not wasted. If you wish to shut the camera off, you simply press and hold the power button for 4 seconds again, and that will power the camera down. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.